In this video, I'm going to show you how to compress Word file size. For now, here you can see I have a Word file of around 32.1 MB. Now let's see how we can reduce the docs file size. First, open your docs file. Here I'm going to double click on it, and here as you can see I have article contained in this docs file, and this article is about 15 pages. And here as you can see I have only high quality images and text available in this article. So first we need to compress the images. For this, click on the image, then at the top side you will find format or image format. Click on it, and from here you will find compress pictures in adjust section. Click on it and make sure that you uncheck this apply only to this picture, because we are not going to apply this feature or the settings only to this picture, but also we are going to apply this to all the picture that available in our articles. And the second option is delete cropped areas of pictures. Enable it, and in the resolution select use default resolution, and we are going to use default resolution for all the images available in this docs file. Now click on the file from here, and at the bottom you will find more or options. Click on options, and at the left side you will find advanced option. Click on it, scroll a little down, and you will find image size and quality section. From here enable the first option, discard editing data, and the second option, do not compress images in file. Don't check this box. And in default resolution, make it lower than 100 ppi. So I'm going to choose 96 ppi from here, and that's it. You can simply click on OK to save these changes. Now in the save option, go to save option, and from here make sure that embed fonts in the file option is unchecked. Now simply click on OK and close this window, and now we are going to save this docs file. For this, as you can see, the name here is compressed now. Now I'm going to save it with another name. For this, simply click on save as, and I'm going to save it in my desktop. Now I'm going to rename it like after, compress after, and from here as you can see the same file has saved with another name, and as you can see that both file is same. Now we are going to check out the file size of this doc that we have saved earlier, and right click on it and go to properties, and here you can see it is now 25.6 MB. That's mean we have just compressed this docs file, or we have reduced the file size of these docs. Also make sure you have saved the file as the Word document, and that's mean this is the Word docs format, and also there is another formats available, but Word document format is most preferable. Then we have some websites that can help us to reduce or compress our Word docs file easily. So first, open your browser, and here you can see I have opened three websites. One is small pdf, the first one is smallpdf.com, second one is ucompress.com, and third one is wecompress.com. These three websites can help you to compress your docs file. You can easily convert your docs file into PDF file with the first one, that is smallpdf.com. It's pretty simple. Just choose your doc file and it will automatically convert your doc file into the PDF section. Now from here, after completing the conversion, you can simply click on download button to download the PDF format of your docs file. As you can see, I have just downloaded the PDF format of my doc file, and it's only 570 something KB. But if you don't need PDF file, or you just need to convert or compress your docs file from your original docs file, then the second and third website is better for you. Go to ucompress.com and click on select file button, and select your docs file from here and click on upload file button. Now it is uploading. It takes a little time. Wait for it. As soon as the file uploaded in uCommerce, you will find a download option from here, and you can see it is now compressed around 32.78%. Whenever I click on download button, and it has downloaded in my docs file, and when I open it, you can see the file is same. But remember, as more as you compress the file, the more the quality will reduce of your docs file. The third one is wecompress.com, and the process is pretty simple and the same. Just upload your docs file in wecompress.com and wait for complete the upload. After uploaded the file in wecompress.com, just simply will get the download button, click on it, and you can download the compressed file for easily, and repeat the same process to get more smaller or reduced file size. That's how you can compress a large file docs into docs with small file size. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.